welcome. My name is Aleisha. This is Project Vegan and we bake vegan sweet treats. So let's get baking. Today we're going to be making a vegan chocolate mousse using coconut cream. I'm hoping it's going to work. Coconut cream does not have the best reputation for whipping and setting, so we're going to try our best for that. So to get started, you're going to want a pot, an element, chocolate and cream. You want to have a 2-to-1 ratio, so 2 cream, 1 chocolate. I'm going to be using 400 mils of cream, therefore 200 grams of chocolate. You're going to want to use about half of your cream or a little bit less than half of your cream to melt the chocolate, and that's when I'm going to be adding my agar. Then you whip the rest of the cream and fold them into each other and let it set. Very, very simple recipe, but I miss chocolate mousse so bad. Before I went vegan, it was one of my favorite treats, so let's nail this one. So I know you can't quite see properly, but under my pot here I have the scales, so I'm going to weigh out. I think I'm going to go with 150. I'm at 88. I'm going to also see if there's any liquid at the bottom of this can. Yeah, and I'm going to. Because I'm not too worried if there's liquid in there, but I know that the solid stuff will whip better. So I'm going to save that for whipping to try and get the best result. While I'm boiling down the cream, I'm going to chuck this back in the fridge. Onto a hot element that will go, and I'll see you back here when it is boiling. Right, I'm now going to add in my chocolate chips. I've got 100 grams in each bowl. So I'm now going to remove it from the heat and turn my element off. And once that first half is through, I'll add in that second half. All mixed and melted, and goes that second lot. Alrighty, now we have pretty much got a chocolate ganache just here, and I'm going to leave it to the side to let it cool down a little bit because we don't want it super hot when we're adding it to the cold cream. But in the meantime, I'm going to get my cream whipped. I'm going to be using a KitchenAid with the whisk attachment for this. Into the bowl, the rest of my can will go. I'm trying so hard not to get any of that water in there, but I still got some in. Time for the mixing. I'm really happy so far. It's doing quite well. Scrape down the edges and keep mixing. I'm beyond happy with the cream. Like, yes, it's a little bit thin, but I know as soon as you add in the chocolate, it's not going to be like this. I'm going to do what I shouldn't do and add the chocolate in a bit. I'm just going to add in a very, very small amount. And mix that through. I'm going to have to change my mind doing this by hand. Okay, this is the consistency mousse should be, and I know it's just going to get not like this. Let's hope putting it back in the fridge can harden up a bit more, but okay, we're only about halfway through the chocolate, but this is my consistency. Ready? However, we're gonna keep adding and just hope that the fridge can be a miracle. All right, full send. All right, so this is what we've got. We've got a chocolate liquid, basically a chocolate sauce. So the hope is that by leaving it in the fridge overnight, it will harden up, and then tomorrow we can pipe it and photograph it. However, I'm not entirely optimistic because this is literally a chocolate sauce. But I'll fridge it and show you what happens tomorrow. Hello, it's me. It's the next day. I've actually just finished photographing it, so we're gonna try it. It's the chocolate mousse. It's really good. It's a little bit rich and a little bit dark. However, it tastes really, really good. I think if I were to make it again, I'd probably reduce the amount of chocolate I use just a little bit, but otherwise it's really good. Would make again. And the cream actually turned out pretty good, and it's way less runny than it was yesterday. Like, it actually sticks on my spoon. 10 out of 10. Since I have the opportunity, I will show you the final product. They look like little, oh no, it fell. Good thing I've already taken my photos. They look like little turds in cups. And chocolate and strawberries go so good together, so I hope you've enjoyed watching this video and learning how to make a dairy-free vegan chocolate mousse. If you want to see more videos and more simple, easy recipes, check out my channel, and in the information card at the top, I will link a playlist of sweet treats that you can take a look at. In the description box below will be the recipe. Super simple. You probably won't even have to look at it, but I'll still put it there. And the recipe will be the final photo that I took. It is available on my Instagram. Take a look. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed watching me make chocolate mousse. It tastes delicious. I highly recommend making it for yourself. And until then, I will see you in the next video. Peace.